Wow. Can't believe the difference you've made. Wow. Hi, I'm Andy from Plymouth in the UK, and I'm here in Turkey at the AntLara Dental Clinic. It's been an amazing experience. I've had 2 trips here. One was in late September, and now I've come back to get my teeth finished off. As you can see, they're nice and pearly white and bright, and I'm really happy with what's happening. At home, I'm a singer, a 56-year-old singer who stands on stage in front of people every day, so I feel like I needed to make a bit of an effort after not looking after my teeth for most of my life. So obviously that's going to make a difference to hopefully the way I look and my confidence, and you know, I'm really pleased with the way everything's gone. It's been fantastic.